Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin. Acknowledging that you have the voice in your head and you are not it, you have it. And who you are is an infinite being that is so expansive. The energy which is beyond your body, beyond the house that you're in, beyond the city that you're in, beyond the country that you're in, beyond the entire planet and the entire universe and all the universes. That is who you are, the space. Just space. And then we fill this space up with so many things. You are the space that has chosen to take the body. So there is definitely something awesome in taking up a body. What if everything they told you about taking up a body was a lie? What if it is not that bad? What if your body is wonderful? What gift your body is that you're not acknowledging? Your body is your best friend in this life. Are you living your life with your body, with your best friend? Or are you living your life abusing your body, forcing your body to do the things it does not want to do? And everything that brings up, just allow yourself to release all of that. As an infinite being, you are connected to every molecule of this universe and all the universes, and even beyond that. You are the infinite being that you are. And now allow yourself to receive from all those universes everything you require to heal your body. Put your hands on your heart and you may repeat with me. I am the universe.
I am the creator of my life. I am an infinite being which is so expansive. I am limitless. And I choose now to live a fulfilling and phenomenal life. I choose to allow myself to receive from all my spirit guides that are here with me as my team, contributing to me, gifting me, sending me hints and awarenesses and messages and people. I allow to receive from all of them. As I know that I am an infinite being now. And I choose to live a fulfilling and phenomenal life. And connecting with my guides, with my angels, makes it so much more easier and smooth and fun. And I choose to never make myself wrong again. I choose greatness. I choose to acknowledge the infinite being I am, the universe I am. And when people around me, when this reality will ever try to pull me down, I will just remind myself, it's okay. They are who they are. And I know that I am an angel on the planet, an infinite being that chooses to live a fulfilling and phenomenal life. And be so full of happiness and love and joy and prosperity with myself that it pours to other people. Never diminish it for myself. Never deplete it for myself. Never deny myself of any of that. I choose fulfilling and phenomenal life for myself. Take a long deep breath in. Breathe into your body right from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes, being more and more present with every cell of your body, acknowledging your connection with the universe as well as the Mother Earth, pulling the energy from the Mother Earth and thanking Mother Earth for this beautiful connection. And now, slowly and gradually, whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes. You can rub your palms and put them on your eyes.
Some water. Stay relaxed make sure that you write your experience of the meditation, journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax, and just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.